Welcome to Two-Way Direct, the #1 two-way radio dealer in the US. We not only offer all major brand products, but we do so at the lowest prices guaranteed. Along with our vast selection of two-way radio products and accessories, our team provides many in-house services such as radio repairs, as well as on-site installations. We are a one-stop shop, here to service all of your communications needs. With our installation services, not only do we provide you with exceptional customer service, but we also provide a consultation on the equipment you need before you purchase. Whether it's installing repeaters, antennas, wire management, or any other system install, we can assure that your equipment will be properly installed and on your schedule. Our team has the ability to not only help customize your system, but to help you implement it properly. Here are a few different examples of recent repeater and antenna installs for your reference. This is a repeater antenna install, which in this case is in the turret, which is that peak with a balcony around it. Having this located at a central point on the location is ideal for enhancing communications. This is a location where an antenna and repeater needed to be installed in order to boost coverage on the property. Notice that where these are installed is very inconspicuous so that these are not eyesores for the people on the property. This is a hotel with a repeater antenna install. With these larger and more high-end hotels, you really want to be sure that your communications are optimal and that you have ample coverage in order to be able to meet your customers' needs during their stay. This is a racetrack that needed an antenna installation. Again, this antenna is located up high and central to the rest of the racetrack. This is an install for a stadium. With large event structures containing a lot of people, it's important that security is able to maintain communication with one another consistently. Our installs are clean and professional so that your system works the first time around. When you purchase from Two-Way Direct, all new radios come with free programming, and if you need help with installation, we can provide a quote for that as well. For more information on any of our in-house services, including installations, feel free to reach out to us at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back with you.